welcome to my video. In this video, we will talk about TikTok. I will show you 5 ways to make money from TikTok. Firstly, I want to briefly tell you about TikTok. TikTok is the platform where users share their important moments as short videos. TikTok can be used both on the phone and on the computer. Now, how to earn income from this platform. 5 ways to make money from TikTok. Or first way. 5. E-commerce. If you have an account with high follower count, you can use some videos for product promotions on TikTok. You can direct your viewers to your e-commerce store by add a link in your TikTok profile. One of the most recommended ways to make money throughout TikTok is e-commerce. If you're going to e-commerce, you should focus on products specifically for young people. Now, let's go our other way. 4. Finding a sponsor. To find sponsor on TikTok, you must have at least 50,000 followers. You need to reach this number of followers. After finding sponsors in TikTok, brands usually send you various products to include in your videos. You should promote the products by using these products in harmony with your videos. 3. YouTube. You don't earn money as you watch your videos on TikTok, but you get paid per view on YouTube. If your videos are watched on TikTok and you manage to gain followers, you can direct your viewers here to this channel by opening a channel on YouTube. Thus, you can earn money on YouTube. 3. Live. You can earn money from TikTok by broadcasting live on Live, a platform directly connected with TikTok. After subscribing to TikTok on Live, users who watch live broadcasts throughout this platform can send you like they bought with money. You can earn money by collecting these likes. This system is especially suitable for users with more than 50,000 followers. 1. Social media. One of the ways to make money online is to grow social media accounts. You can sell these accounts or you can get ads. If you reach high number of followers on TikTok, your other social media accounts will grow. You can do this either, especially on Instagram. Grow your Instagram account, then sell or buy ads. In this video, I showed you 5 ways to make money on TikTok. With these methods, you can earn money from TikTok. We came to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If there is a question, you can write to the comment section. See you in another video.